Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Bhagyashri. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and foundational programming languages ever created, the C language. We will understand its origin, importance, and how it is used in assisting programming. Let's begin. Introduction to C. C is a general purpose procedural programming language developed mainly for system and operating system development. It is often called the mother of all modern languages because many popular languages like CPP, Java and Python are based on it. C is a simple, powerful and very close to hardware. That's why it's still relevant even after decades. Origin of C. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie and Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. It's evolved from earlier language BCPL and B and was first used to rewrite the Unix operating system. This made Unix faster, more efficient and portable across different machines, a major milestone in computing history. Importance of C. C is one of the most important programming languages ever created. It laid the foundation for many modern languages. It's fast and efficient, offering direct control over memory and hardware. C is a portable, meaning the same code can run on different platforms with a little or no change. It also supports structured programming language and comes with a rich library of functions for input, output and memory handling. C in a system programming. C plays major role in assisting programming because it allows programmers to directly interact with hardware and system memory. For example, operating systems like Unix, Linux and parts of Windows are written in a C. It's also used in writing compilers, interpreters, device drivers and embedded system software for microcontrollers. In short, C bridges the gap between software and hardware. This is summary of table. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the early 1970s, developed the Unix operating system. It's structured procedural language that remains the backbone of the system and embedded programming even today. So that's all for today's video. Remember, C may be an old language, but it's still the heart of modern computing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code with Bhagyashri for more programming lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Thank you.